What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a car here perfectly fine. The customer wants to change this MAF sensor due to it's old. Okay, so he went and bought an original part. So here it is, the original part number from Toyota, Lexus. So I'm gonna open this in a little bit. I don't like to get these sensors dirty because they're very sensitive. So to change these sensors, you pretty much gotta squeeze this tab and remove this connector just like that. Okay, it's kind of moving around because I was testing my tool to see if it fits on it. So all you need is a stubby little screwdriver here, Phillip head. Some cars can be like a torque bolt on it, but make sure you don't lose this, because if you lose this, good luck trying to find it. So I'm gonna save this somewhere where I'm not gonna lose it, somewhere it's not gonna fall in there anywhere. Okay, just be careful. So here's the second bolt. Usually it's only 2 bolts on these that's holding this down, but notice the direction. Okay, notice how this sensor is. Okay, and even a new one can fail. Okay, because I had cases where I put new one. So this has an o-ring around here, very simple and easy. I'm gonna put this to the side. Now what I'm gonna do here is make sure this surface here is nice and clean, because we can't have no air leaking here. You don't have to be, it don't have to be the best, just take your finger. Okay, that's the best thing. Okay, now I'm gonna unpack this and I'll be right back, then I'll show you. And you want to grab this in a manner where you don't touch anything here. Okay, one little grease particle on this, a hair dot, anything can make this thing go bananas. So simply you can put a little bit of grease on this. This is pre-lubricated, and all you want to do is make sure you feel the seal snap right in. Okay, and there you go. Okay, I don't feel it go in. There you go. Now it sat down perfectly good. So now my little bolts here, do save the old one. If your car does not have issue, you should change this guy in the once a lifetime of the vehicle, 70,000-80,000 miles. Change it, because the car runs on this guy. This little guy controls the fuel, monitors the air. It can cause lean conditions as well. Okay, and it works together with oxygen sensors. So depending on how much air is going into the system, it's gonna control the fuel. It's gonna send a signal, monitor the air, send a signal to the computer. Computer's gonna check the oxygen sensor, compare it, and the baby, it will also prevent your car from starting up. Okay, and then once you're done, gotta click like that. Okay, it's gotta click. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.